Hello everyone. Welcome back to my virtual assistant journey. Today, I will show you how to make file and folder management using Google Drive. We'll open our Gmail, then we will click here, then we will search for Drive, then we will add folder, and we will name it MVA Portfolio. Then here it is. We open this and we'll add folder file management. We'll add another folder, date management, and email management. This file, a folder that we make, we can customize it. You just click this one, the three dot here. Here, you can add this to the shortcut, or you can add to start, or for me, I want to just color it. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you.